All right, I told you guys we're gonna get a sick unboxing this week, so check this out. I just got this box in. I said let's do a quick unboxing. As you guys guessed, we got the Chrome Hearts in, ready to go. Check that out. We got the black and gold. I'm not even gonna begin to pronounce these names. You guys know that Chrome Hearts has weird sexualized names here. Get that gold finish, Chrome Hearts, black and gold. This is gonna be a hot piece right here at the store. That's one piece. Oh my God, look at this piece right here. Ooh, and it's so heavy. I believe this is the Sluss Bussin'. Yeah, I told you guys these are very interesting and they're so heavy. This is 925 silver pieces here from Chrome Hearts. Very, very heavy, and it's in this green color. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Got another piece right there. We have Bonjour. Look at that. It's like a Ray-Ban look with the Chrome Heart finish. You see it's got the little Chrome Heart details on the very top. Here, got the Chrome Hearts cross and patch that everybody likes on their jeans. Bam. This is like what Chrome Hearts is like really famous for. That silver finish. Gorgeous piece. Wow. 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 Oh, we got a box officer. Box officer in the crystal. It's like a smokish gray. Gotta make some fun lenses for this as well. Oh my God, look at that color. That color is so nice. This is a box officer. Oh my God, look at that tint. The tint is gorgeous and it's got the gold finish. This is gonna sell immediately, guys. As soon as I post this, this is gonna be gone. And it's 24 karat gold plated or 18 karat gold plated. Which one is it? It's 18, but this is gorgeous. The box officers here. Now I have two box officers here, one in a crystal and one in a gold. Another box officer. This is a black and gold box officer. Beautiful in the sunglass variant. Gorgeous. Wow. Simply wow. Look at that. What model is this? This is a smoke show in a round with the clear, and it's got the silver accents as well. Another beautiful piece. What's this right here? This is the I'm not even going to pronounce that because that's I'm probably going to get canceled for saying this, but look at that silver piece at the end and over here. Guys, these frames, we're going to have to like weigh these frames out afterwards. These frames probably weigh a good amount. I'd say easily these frames probably weigh about almost 100 grams a pair, if not more. Oh my God, look at this. We got the smoke show in black and gold. Gorgeous, gorgeous pair. Wow. This is the try in black and gold. As you can tell, guys, we're gonna have a huge variety of frames here in the shop. We just put in some serious money to get this in for you guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a whole video later on. Here, check this out. Got this gorgeous green color in that silver. Gorgeous, gorgeous frame. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to be doing more stuff. There's a whole box of inventory still here. We're going to be showing you guys more and more stuff. Stay tuned.